Welcome to Hari Chemistry. So here this video contains the problems based on relative lowering in vapor pressure. Okay, so here the vapor pressure of the pure solvent benzene and the vapor pressure of solution as mentioned, and what he is asking, they calculate the molality of the solution. So calculate the molality of the solution, student. So this question was asked in IITG 1981 for 3 marks question. Okay, clear, student? So here you can see the vapor pressure of a benzene is 639.7 mm of Hg. So here it is, benzene is a pure solvent, and the vapor pressure of a solution of a solute in benzene at the same temperature is 631.9. Means here the non-volatile solute is added to the pure solvent of benzene. If it forms a solution, the solution has the same temperature and the vapor pressure of the solution is 631.9 mm of Hg. So what is asking, student? Calculate the molality of the solution. Okay. So we will write the P naught. So P naught is nothing but, student, vapor pressure of pure benzene, that is 639.7 mm of Hg. So this is vapor pressure of benzene, vapor pressure of benzene. So this is pure solvent. So PS is equal to nothing but, student. So this is vapor pressure of solution, that is equal to 631.9 mm of Hg. So we know very well, student. So when we are adding a non-volatile solute to the pure solvent, so the vapor pressure of a solution decreases. So this is vapor pressure of solution. So we know the relative lowering of vapor pressure in with molecular mass, that is equal to P naught minus Ps by P naught is equal to small m by small w by small m into capital M by capital W. So this is the relative lowering in vapor pressure to find out the molecular mass. But he is not asking molecular mass, student. So he is asking molality. So he is asking in terms of molality. Okay, clear, student? So what is mean by molality? Molality is nothing but molality. So what is meant by molality, student? Number of moles of solute per 1000 grams of the solvent. Okay, means number of moles of solute particles present in 1000 grams of the solvent, student. Okay, so that is equal to, we can write number of moles of solute, number of moles of solute divided by weight of solvent, we can write in grams into 1000, student. Clear, student? So means number of moles of solute particles present in 1000 grams or 1 kilogram of the solvent, student. So generally, so we can represent molality is a small m, student. So what are the units for molality? Molality is equal to nothing but, student, moles per 1000 gram or moles per kilogram. Okay, so we know very well, student, number of moles of solute means nothing but, moles is equal nothing but, student, weight of the solute divided by molecular weight of the solute, weight of the solute divided by molecular weight of the solute into weight of the solvent, that is capital W into 1000. Clear, student? So this is molarity. So units for molarity, student, units for molality is nothing but, student, moles per kilogram or moles per 1000 gram, student. Okay, clear? This is molality. Then we will come to here, student. So just you can take, so we can multiply it with 1000 and dividing with 1000. So there is no change, student. 1000 by 1000, that is equal to 1, student. So just here we are going to convert into the molality formula, student. So that is, we are multiplying with 1000 and dividing with 1000, student. So that is equal to, student, P naught minus Ps by P naught is equal to student. So small w by small m into capital W into 1000. So we can substitute. So this equation, so we can write in the form of molality. So small w means nothing but student weight of the non-volatile solute divided by molecular mass of non-volatile solute, and this is the weight of the solvent into 1000 students. So in this place we can substitute molality. Okay student, molality, molality. Okay, so molality into, so the remaining are capital M divided by 1000, capital M into capital M divided by 1000. Okay, clear student? Right. So this is the formula for molality. So here we will write molality, molality. Molality is equal to what student? So here it is multiplying with 1000. So that is equal to, molality is equal to student. So molality is equal to, molality is equal to P naught minus PS, P naught minus into 1000 by capital M. Clear student? So molality is equal to what student? P naught minus PS by P naught into 1000 by capital M. So this is the formula for the calculation of molality student. So that is equal to, M is equal to P naught minus PS by P naught into 1000 by capital M. So we will substitute the information, whatever the information was given in the question, we will substitute and we will calculate molality of the solution. Clear student? Right. So molality is equal to, molality is equal to, so what is P naught student? That is a vapor pressure of pure solvent, that is benzene, 639.7 minus. So vapor pressure of solution at same temperature, that is 631.9 mm of Hg, then 639.7. Okay, clear student? Into what is molecular weight? So molecular weight of benzene student, 78. Okay, clear student? So here, so after simplification, so the value becomes 0.0. You can 0.01 student, you can try. So 639.7 minus 631.9 divided by 639.7. So approximately we will get the value that is equal to 0.01 student into 1000 by 78 student. So here the two zeros get cancelled, so that is equal to 10 by 78 student. So after simplification we will get the value approximately, so that is equal to 0.1 to 0.125. So that is moles per 1000 grams, moles per 1000 grams students. Okay, clear student? So this is the formula for the calculation of molality and relative lowering in vapor pressure students. Okay student, remember that is the formula for the calculation of molality student. Molality is equal nothing but student P naught minus PS by P naught into 1000 by capital M student. So that is the formula. Simple, you can substitute. So you remember the formula and substitute the data into this equation, just you will get the value. Okay, clear student? Thank you.